Welcome back. This is my second Walgreens haul for this week, which means I had a first Walgreens haul. So if you haven't seen that video, check it out. I will drop it down in the comments below because all the deals I talk about today are different than the ones I talked about on Sunday, but all of the deals are valid for this week. Now, one of the reasons why I wanted to do a second video is because I had a little error in my first video and I want to go ahead and correct it since so many people have responded and asked me questions about it or told me I got it wrong, which is fine. I appreciate you letting me know when something's not right. But in the video on Sunday, I talked about the Gillette deal, how they're buy one, get one half off. I used a coupon code and I got $10 in Walgreens cash back. Now, I said in the video that it was spend 20, get 10. I don't know why I said that because that's not right. It's buy two, get $10 in Walgreens cash. I even have it written on the back here for spending 20. I don't know why. I've tried to think of why my brain makes things up sometimes or doesn't get things right, but I really don't know. And the funny part about it is I was driving to get my mail and I was like, you know what, I'll just talk about it in the video and I'll let them know, hey, I'm doing a lot, especially on Sunday mornings, and sometimes my brain just forgets things. You know what I did? I drove right by the mailbox. So proof that my brain just forgets things sometimes. So they are buy two, get $10 in Walgreens cash, which means you can use Walgreens cash to pay and that will not be a problem. So I apologize for that little boo-boo in the video. I am not a perfect person. Now, let's talk about the additional deals I have done, and I did them early today, so let's chat about them real quick. The Old Spice body wash. This is a great deal. They are $7 each. They are buy two, get a $4 register reward. There's also a $3 digital coupon. So buy two at $7 minus the $3 digital, you'll pay $11. You'll get back a $4 register reward. Now you can also submit your receipt to Ibotta where I got $5 back for purchasing these, leaving my final cost to be $2 for both of them or just $1 each. Now I did that in a scenario with the Dove and I did these in store because they were printing the register rewards. I picked up a Dove women's, technically, I guess, and a Dove men's product, both priced at $7. Now, I almost 100% do digital deals on my channel, but I did use a paper coupon on this one. I had a buy one of these, get one of these free coupon from the recent Save insert. So I paid $7.01 after that BOGO coupon came off, and I got back a $5 register reward for buying both of them, leaving my final cost to be $2 and a penny or just $1 each. And yes, I used my Walgreens cash to pay for this and this together. Now, if you don't have paper coupons, you don't get the coupons that come in the newspaper, no big deal. I did a scenario using all digital coupons for the Dove products in my video on Sunday. So again, check out that video and find an all digital deal that you can do. Now, the other deal I want to mention, the Kinder Egg offer is back on Swagbucks. So these are 2 for $4. Get back $4 for buying 2 on Swagbucks, making them both free. Now, a couple of things. Always check your Swagbucks offer like right before you walk into the store and submit your receipt immediately after buying because the Swagbucks offers come and go very quickly. Now, this deal is a limit of 2 per week, which means I should be able to buy 4 on one receipt and then get back the $8 or the $8 for buying 4 of them. So 2 for $4, I get back 4 for buying 2, I get back 4 for buying the other 2, so $8 for buying 4. Now, for some reason, when I submitted my receipt to Swagbucks, it only picked up 2 of them, and I had to submit a ticket, which it's only been a couple hours since I did it, so it hasn't been approved yet. So if you want to be safe, check your offer, just buy 2 on 1 receipt, get the $4, and then you can do the deal again because it does say you can do them twice per week. Normally when it says that, you can do it on 1 receipt without any issues. I don't know why it didn't pick it up. So if you've already done this deal, or you do it and you buy 4 for $8 and you get that $8 back, please drop a comment. That way other people know that it's working, and mine was just kind of like a random thing that it didn't work. So yeah, there's that deal. Now, this I saw on clearance. So this was on a curbside purchase. I saw these 500 count Q-tips, or Walgreens branded Q-tips, for $2.49, which seemed like a good price. It rivaled my grocery store price on their like H-E-B brand Q-tips. So I went ahead and picked these up using my Walgreens cash. Now, the Eucerin deal. I hinted at this in my video on Sunday that there was a code for $10 off a $20 purchase with the code Eucerin. There's also a spend 20, get $10 in Walgreens cash back on the Eucerin. So that means we have to spend at least 30, because the $10 Eucerin promo code will come off, leaving us still spending 20 to get that $10 back. So let me show you what I did. Now, I actually really like the Eucerin Daily Protection with sunscreen, which is why I went ahead and did this deal, because it ends up being like $2.44 per product. So these are $11.49 each. They're also buy one, get one half off. So $11.49 for one, $5.74 for the second one. I picked up one of the Eucerin lotions at $16.99, and then I didn't have to add a 4th item, but I went ahead and did so because this was the 50% item and another coupon attached to it. So I got this one at $3.74. I had 3 different digital coupons, a $3, a $3, and a $2 digital coupon. I then used the code Eucerin, which took off $10, leaving me to pay $19.76. Now remember, we have to spend 20 to get the $10 back, but the manufacturer coupons count towards that spend amount. So I paid the $19.76. You don't want to use Walgreens cash to pay for this one, I promise. And I got back $10 in Walgreens cash when I went and picked this up, leaving my final cost to be $9.76 for all 4 of these products, or $2.44 each. So $9.76 is less than just this one product alone. So if you're a Eucerin fan, it might be time to stock up on those products. Now, the last deal I want to tell you about, I talked about actually last week, and it's on the Walgreens branded disposable razors. Okay, they are buy 3, get $3 in Walgreens cash back. Now, when you put 3 of them in your cart for curbside, they are $3.75. They might be a little bit more expensive in store, so I would do this as a curbside order. So $3.75, you're going to get $3 in Walgreens cash back when you pick them up. But remember, we have that Get 10 coupon code, so I used that. It took 38 cents off, so I paid $3.37, got back $3 in Walgreens cash when I picked it up, making my final cost 37 cents for all 3 of these, or just like 10 cents per pack. And these, if you do lots of resale, you could probably sell these easily for $1 a pack. Or I know the homeless shelter near us, they are requesting disposable razors quite often. So good deal on these. Now, the last deal I want to mention, I didn't do, but there is a gift card deal right now where you buy 2 of specific gift cards and you can get a $10 Walgreens gift card for free. Kind of the best one I've seen is if you pick up 2 of the $15 Domino's gift cards, you pay $30, but you're getting actually $40 in gift cards back because you get the 2 $15 Domino's plus that $10 Walgreens gift card based on that promotion. Now, that was everything I wanted to talk about today. There was one more thing I forgot to talk about because there's always something I forget to mention in my video on Sunday. So I did a number of Proctor Gamble deals in my video on Sunday, including Tide and Downy products. I forgot to mention to y'all that I did submit my receipt to the PG Good Everyday program, where I get points for the Procter & Gamble products that I purchase, and then I turn those points into gift cards when they have those gift cards available. That is a completely free program. I'll drop a link to it down below. You can sign up, you can print coupons, you can get the points for buying the products, but then you can also find out about current rebates that they have going on the Procter & Gamble products. Okay, I think my brain remembered everything, but when I go to edit this video, I'm sure I will remember something else I forgot to tell you about. Hope y'all are having a great start to your week. Don't forget to check out my video I posted on Sunday. Because I posted it later in the day, it's not getting pushed out as much. So if you want to watch it, that would be amazing. I'll drop it in the comments, and then I'll probably put it in the video description box as well. Thanks, guys.